How to remove Bitmoji from Snapchat. To get started, first of all, open up the Snapchat application on your phone. You will be then taken to the camera screen on Snapchat. Here, you can take snaps and videos and share with your friends. On this screen, go to the bottom panel and tap on the chat icon. Now, go to the top left corner of this page and tap on your profile. Here, you can edit and view your profile information. Tap on your Bitmoji as you can see here. On this page, you can edit and change your Bitmoji according to your choice. For example, you can change the outfit, selfie, scene, or even create your avatar. Now, go to the top right corner and tap on the settings icon. In the settings page, scroll down and tap on Bitmoji under the My Account section. You can edit your Bitmoji from here as well, such as changing the outfit, choosing a selfie, or editing the Bitmoji. You can try exploring all these options and edit your Bitmoji as you like. If you want to remove the Bitmoji, tap on Remove My Bitmoji at the bottom. Tap on Remove again to confirm. If you created your avatar on Snapchat, you will lose your avatar and all fashion items saved in the My Wardrobe section. Following these steps, you can easily remove Bitmoji from Snapchat.